Can I go to the bathroom? No.
You know, I sat in on some of the field investigator training, and
Yes,
I was very impressed with the level of technical specificity, the accuracy, the scrupulousness about
Chase is amazing. She's
facts versus,
fantastic.
and so, I'm sorry, folks, but I got to express a little disappointment about the caliber of questions that came to you tonight. Some of them. I've waited 43 years for this kind of revelation, and I would think that of all the venues in which you could deliver this kind of information, that the questions would have been a little bit more directed towards things that you can answer, rather than constantly pressing for things that obviously you can't or shouldn't. What you said earlier about the conversation taking on a different tone a year from now, it also relates to what you were saying about words mean something very specific. You know, the phrase you used there, I've heard a number of times. Wake up, people, it means something, okay? Hint, hint. I've been annoyed by this in my own life, where you start to say something. There's a thing called a syllogism. A, B, therefore C. He's given us A. He's telling us a year from now, there'll be B. Would you let him get there, you know? Anyway, I just want to say thank you for what you've done so far, and it's of inestimable value to the goals that we are pursuing here. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, sir. It's been my honor and pleasure.